How you all doing, mate? I was just wondering if anybody knew what this was. I see you looking, right? I would too with a 40 horsepower Mercury on it. Got a Mercury 402. 402. Looked it up, said 40 horsepower Mercury 2-stroke. I mean, pretty decent shape. Guy traded me for one of my RC cars, believe that? Does anybody have a clue what that is? It's got mercury controls. There's control on it. It's got a speedo. I mean, it's all still there. There's the speedo sticking out right there. Everything seems to work. I haven't tried firing it up, but mercury. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know. And if you're interested, just post a message. Bottom's not too bad. Couple of skiffs and scuffs, but nothing major. Prop decent, you know, a couple of nicks, but repairable, or just have it refurbished. But put that one back together for the gas guy. Nice, eh? Ooh, uh-oh. I don't know if I can advertise for him, but anyways. Cool. Yeah. Thanks for any info you can give me. I see you looking at it. Fast days out.